Good morning, class 10th. So I am here again with you. We have completed the numerical part. Every type of numerical we have completed now. So now it's a time for your evaluation of questions. Yes. So notes I have already sent you. So from that notes you can just write these questions in your notes copy even with the answers. So I am discussing these questions with you. So what is charge? You know what is charge? Charge is a smallest quantity, or it is a matter contained in it. Yes. What is electric current? You know, I upon t, Q upon T, charge with respect of time. Value of charge on an electron, it is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. SI unit of charge, it is coulomb. SI unit of electric current, SI unit of charge is coulomb. SI unit of electric current is ampere. Electric potential, it's volt. Resistance of a conductor, it is a property of a conductor which opposes flow of current. SI unit of resistivity, it is rho. So factors on which resistance of a conductor depends, it is length and area. Ohm's law, you know, V proportional to I. Potential difference, work done and charge moved, this also we have done. So I'm just giving the hint of these questions. Got it? Now see some more questions I am giving you. So here these are the questions. Define electric current, electric potential, potential difference, state Ohm's law, write its mathematical form, define resistivity of a material of the conductor and its SI unit. Got it? Then see, these are some more questions. So these all questions you have to do in your note copy. And now it's a derivation time. So only 2 or 3 derivations are there in this chapter. First derivation, R1, R2, R3 connected in series. Then it is in parallel. Made advantages of parallel circuit in domestic wiring. Yes, what is the advantage? What will happen in series combination? Like I have connected it like this. Let me show it to you in the copy. If I have connected the instruments like this, then what will happen? So this is a series combination. So what will happen? See, if I am just applying a battery over here. Now what will happen? If this instrument stopped working, then my rest of the instruments will work? No, this will not work. So this is a series combination biggest disadvantage. Now what will happen in parallel? See if the instruments are connected like this. Yes, it is connected to the battery. So if this instrument stops working, then also current will reach to this and they both will work. So this is the biggest advantage in parallel combination. Define electric power, state its unit, derive an expression relating it with V, R and I. This also we have done. Define kilowatt hour, how it is related to joule. So these are the questions which you have to do in your notes copy. If you are finding any problem, then you can just send me message. And here some numericals related to the branching. So what you have to do first just calculate the resistance of this part by using a parallel combination formula. Then if after getting answer, just do it in a series way. Yes, so this is how you can do this. Again and again I am telling you, if I are getting any problem in that, you can just send me message. I'll clear your doubts. Got it? Once again I am just zooming the questions. This is all the derivation part. And this one. This one. do all these questions in your notes copy. These are very important questions.